In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana tasks. If you're managing projects with Asana and looking to export your tasks effectively, you're in the right place. So let's dive into the process step by step to get your tasks ready for export. First, head over to the Asana website and log in with your credentials. Bring up your favorite browser and type in Asana's URL, and once the page loads, you'll find the login option prominently displayed. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. If you've used Asana before, your browser might already suggest your email address. If so, all you need to do is confirm it's correct and you're good to go. Next, after entering your email address, click on the Continue button. This will move you forward in the login process. Now it's time to enter your password. Be sure to type it accurately, as passwords are case sensitive and incorrect entries may lead to login errors. Ensure your caps lock is off and everything is entered correctly. Once done, click on Login to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. From here, it's pretty straightforward. You need to select the project from which you'd like to export tasks. Navigate through your projects and click on the one that contains the tasks you intend to export. Once you've selected your project, look for the Actions drop-down menu within the project interface. This is your next stop. Clicking this menu reveals various project management actions you can perform. Scroll through the options and locate the Sync Export choice. This selection might include options such as syncing with other apps or exporting your data to a file format of your choice. After clicking on Sync/Export, various file types for the export will be presented to you. Here you get to choose the file format that best suits your needs. Whether you prefer CSV, Excel, or any other available file type, click on your desired option. This determines how your data will be structured once exported, so select the one that aligns with how you plan to use the information. Finally, with your file type selected, the export process will begin. Asana will compile your tasks into your chosen format, setting them up for download. Soon enough, you'll receive a prompt or notification indicating the success of the export and a link to retrieve your newly formatted file. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you've successfully exported your Asana tasks. This process allows you to have a copy of your project data that can be used outside of Asana, whether for reports, presentations, or any other need. Thank you for following along with these instructions, and I hope this walkthrough has made exporting tasks from Asana a breeze for you.